New month, new video. Just want to say thank you to all the recent subscribers, and just hit the subscribe button. It'll take 2 seconds, not even that, it'll take 1 second. Before I get into today's video, just give you a second to do that. But I have had some serious issues with the car. It's still looking good on the outside. There is a little bit of rust still there. We're just going to ignore that until it becomes a bigger problem. But yeah, I had one of the injectors go. I think it was number 1, and then number 2 went, and then I went to replace 1 and 2, and then the car didn't start, and then I ended up changing 3 and 4 as well. And I know a lot of people do ask about the costs, so I paid about £50 per injector. I think it was used on eBay, but ain't nobody paying about £200 per injector new. So I got those 2 changed out, but it was a weird diagnosis. So when I first the way it came about is I started the car, put it in first gear. It was just a big jar. The car just started shaking a lot. So initially I thought it was a clutch. I thought, nightmare. I don't really know how much that would cost, but it was probably ridiculous. But yeah, the car would struggle in first gear. As soon as it was in second, it was okay. In terms of costs, yeah, so about one injector was about £50 each, and then I think I paid about £200 in labour. So it is something to watch out on the 320Ds. It's not something I really thought about until it happened. And another thing to note on the car is when I did pull the injectors out, there was a lot of carbon build-up. As you can imagine, the car is touching about 190k miles, so it is still going strong, apart from that small hiccup with injectors. So I got that cleaned, put a lot of diesel flush in it. It is running a little bit better, but I don't really have anything to compare it to in terms of a stock 320. In terms of modifications, I know I did mention the spacers. It is quite bad still, but they're in the boot. Can't be bothered getting them fitted. Don't have the time for it really. But it's nice though. It's still shining in the sun. Check that out. I'll try the widescreen lens. It's alright. Let's try this. Full widescreen. It's quite good. Oh, and just a reminder, hit the subscribe button if you've made it this far. I know a lot of viewers do drop out after like 30 seconds, and 95% or 98% are not subscribed. Hit the subscribe button, please. I'm trying to hit 1,000. I don't think it'll happen anytime soon, but I'm aiming for 200 or 150 or 140. Need about 8 subscribers for that. But yeah, drop a comment. Let me know what you want to see next with the car. I'm fairly open with all the costs involved, so if you have any questions or you're looking to get one, drop me a message. But apart from that, that's it for today's video. Let me know what you want to see next. Just because it looks better. There we go, beautiful. And subscribe.